a temple where no devotee has to go by himself, but Mahakali, the goddess herself, attracts her devotees to her. This temple is located in Uttarakhand, the place where you will find many pilgrim spots with historic and religious stories of God. Today, we are going to tell you the miracles of this temple in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, in which the goddess Dat Kali Ma stays. You might have never heard of this temple before, but today we are gonna tell you its real story of this temple and also when was this temple made, what is the reason for building this temple, and why it is a religious sentiment for the people. The Datkali temple is a very famous Hindu temple. There is a famous myth that devotees of goddess don't have to come by themselves, but Datkali Ma attracts her devotee and they have to come to meet her by any reason. This temple is around 14 kilometers away from Dehradun city. This temple was built on 13th June 1804. The Gorkha soldier Bal Bhadra Thapa also led to the foundation of Bhadrakali temple at the same place. People say there are two stories behind this temple. One of the stories say that Ma Datkali came in the dream of an engineer. It is said that Mahakali gave him the idol of Devi Mahakali, which is in the temple of Ghati. In this temple, there is a lantern light since 1921 and it's made sure that it keeps burning and never stops. Everyone comes to take the blessings of Ma Datkali and brings the offerings of oil, ghee, flour, and etc. to goddess. There is also a big hall in the temple where all the people who come from far can rest. Mostly during the festivals of Navratri, people visit here in a huge quantity and worship Mahakali, and after the worship, a meal is served in the name of Mahakali. Whereas the second story says that in the same spot where the temple is built, there were a lot of accidents that used to take place, even though there were signboards of danger and traffic control lights. In that situation, everyone from the near areas decided to build Mahakali's temple here to stop the daily occurring accident cases. And during the same time, Mahakali also came into the dreams of an engineer. And after that, this temple was built. And it is said that from that day onwards, there were no accidents that occur on that spot. And people who buy new cars or pass by this road always come to visit the temple and take the blessings of Mahakali. So, friends, if you ever get a chance to visit this temple, do visit and take the holy blessings of Mahadat Kali.